We just wrapped up JLC Live, and honestly, what a ride! If you're not familiar, JLC Live is one of the biggest gatherings for residential construction and remodeling pros, the place where cutting-edge tools, fresh techniques, and emerging technologies all converge under one roof. Think hands-on demos, packed seminars, and every aisle loaded with something worth stopping for. This year absolutely delivered. We walked away genuinely impressed with the products we saw, the kind that actually solve real problems on real job sites. So, if you're ready to see what's worth your attention, pour yourself something hot and let's get into it. Kicking things off with something that every drywall finisher and painter is going to appreciate, the Flex GE6 XEC Wall and Ceiling Sander. This rotary giraffe sander is built around one core idea, making long, punishing sanding sessions actually manageable. The carbon construction keeps the weight impressively low, which means your arms aren't screaming by midday. The balance is something else entirely. It genuinely feels natural in your hands, almost intuitive. A gimbal-mounted sanding head delivers a generous 160-degree swivel range, so awkward angles and tight corners stop being a problem. Underneath the hood, precision planetary gears eliminate vibration, leaving you with consistently smooth, professional-grade surfaces. If back strain and fatigue have been slowing you down, this machine deserves a serious look. Cordless miter saws have come a long way, and DeWALT just pushed the bar even higher. Their 10-inch 20VXR double-bevel fixed miter saw is being called their most capable compact cordless miter saw to date, and after seeing it in action, that claim holds up. Bevel and miter cuts land with real accuracy, and the regenerative braking system does double duty, stopping the blade quickly while simultaneously feeding energy back to extend battery runtime. A bevel gear transmission further squeezes efficiency out of every charge cycle. The cut count per battery is legitimately impressive for extended job site use. Add to that a 97% dust capture rate, and you've got a tool that keeps your workspace cleaner without sacrificing an ounce of performance. This is cordless convenience done right.
Here's a product that fundamentally rethinks how we approach structural foundations. Terra grip anchors ditch the concrete-heavy, labor-intensive methods we've relied on for decades and replace them with something genuinely clever. Installation requires nothing more than a standard half-inch impact driver or even a basic hand wrench. No specialized equipment, no heavy crew. The design philosophy pulls directly from nature, mimicking the way tree roots spread and grip soil, which translates to outstanding stability across virtually any ground condition. The textured, galvanized steel construction means these anchors bite hard and hold firm over time. They're also fully removable, making them an ideal solution for temporary or relocatable structures. For decks, sheds, fences, and similar builds, this is a smarter, greener, faster alternative that professionals and serious DIYers alike should know about. Bosch brought something serious to the finishing game with their expert EX18V-150-5 cordless random orbit sander. The headline number is a 50% improvement in material removal over previous Bosch models, a meaningful jump that translates directly into faster project completion. The 5mm orbit, paired with the 150mm sanding pad, delivers consistent, aggressive cutting action without sacrificing surface quality. Ergonomically, Bosch clearly put real thought in here. The low-profile body positions your grip close to the work surface, giving you better control whether you're driving with one hand or two. Dust management is equally strong. A multi-hole Venturi pad channels particles efficiently into a HEPA-rated dust box, keeping the air around you cleaner. For finish carpenters, cabinet makers, or anyone chasing a truly polished surface, this sander earns its spot in the bag.
Time lost hunting for the right tool is time and money straight down the drain. SmartStack is built specifically to solve that problem, turning your existing tool storage into a genuinely organized, highly functional system. Rather than replace what you already own, SmartStack integrates directly with popular platforms like Milwaukee Packout, Flex Stack Pack, and DeWALT Tough System. The lineup includes router tables that clip in cleanly, aluminum rail systems, customizable crate dividers, and measuring bump stops that eliminate the measure, mark, cut cycle entirely. The workstation legs deserve special mention. Individually adjustable, they handle any surface condition, from muddy slopes to level shop floors without compromise. Whether you're someone who's constantly on the move between sites or working out of a fixed shop, SmartStack brings an order to your workflow that you'll wonder how you ever lived without. The Cut Hub workstation is the kind of product that makes you wonder why job sites weren't built around it sooner. At its core is a bump stop measuring system that removes the repetitive measure and mark routine entirely. Position your material, bump, cut, simple and fast. Whether you're rough framing or cutting fine trim, a universal mounting kit handles miter and table saws from all the major brands, provided the deck height sits at 4.25 inches or under. The adjustable leg system is a standout feature. Each leg sets independently, so you're stable on a hillside, a muddy yard, or a perfectly flat shop floor. Flip the configuration and it becomes a capable outfeed table, giving a solo operator real support during long rips. It's mobile, durable, and even ships in packaging that pulls double duty as on-site storage. The time savings add up fast.
Every framer knows a hammer is personal. The Bosch Hammer blue-collar steel framing hammer understands that, drawing its DNA straight from the premium titanium lineup and translating it into tough 1440 steel. The weight distribution feels deliberate, a 14-ounce head on a 32-ounce total package that swings with authority and doesn't wear you out over a full day. Practical features round the package out nicely. A magnetic nail start lets you set nails one-handed without fumbling, multiple nail pullers cover different removal scenarios, and a built-in squaring system marks 45-degree angles quickly and accurately, genuinely useful for everyday framing tasks. The flat face edge design improves contact along studs and walls. Made right here in the USA, this hammer is built for daily punishments and designed to last. Rounding things out with a product that anyone dealing with aging wood exteriors needs to know about. Repair Care's DryFlex 4 2-in-1 is an elastic wood repair compound that arrives in a single cartridge and applies straight from a standard caulk gun. No complicated prep, no mixing. It targets decayed and damaged wood on windows, doors, soffits, fascias, stairs, and more, bonding permanently without sagging, shrinking, or slumping. Curing time typically runs around 4 hours, after which it sands and accepts paint cleanly. Once fully cured, it machines, drills, screws, planes, and nails just like real wood, because for all practical purposes, it behaves like it. It handles interior and exterior conditions equally well and works on masonry, concrete, plaster, and metal on top of wood. For restoration work, this is a tool you'll reach for constantly. That's your rundown of the standout products from this year's JLC Live. What's clear is that the industry isn't slowing down. Smarter tools, cleaner processes, and genuinely thoughtful design are pushing the craft forward on every front. Hopefully this gives you a useful head start on what's worth exploring. Which product caught your eye the most? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're thinking. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you're first to see what we cover next. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.